morning everyone. My name is D. Meenakshi. I am studying 6th class at Narjuna Vidyalayam Puravi. I am telling about BOD mass. B mean bracket, O mean of or operation, D mean division, M mean multiplication, A mean addition, S means subtraction. I am solving BOD mass problem. 9 divided by 3 into 4 plus 5 minus 2. When 9 comes, 3 3s are 9. 3 into 4 plus 5 minus 2. 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12 into minus 5 minus 2. 12 plus 5 17 minus 2. 17 minus 2 15. Thank you.